All I have to say is stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing of my Chicago roller skates. I am so excited about this package. This is a late birthday gift to me. I am a Christmas baby and I have been wanting to buy these skates for so long. So I just decided to get me some. Why not? I mean, I deserve it. So I'm going to be unboxing these with you guys today and I am so excited. Let's get into it. Okay, so here we go. Oh my gosh. I am so stoked about these skates. Your girl finna get her roll bounce on, okay? Look how, hold on, I had to put this box down. Look how cute these skates are. Chicago skates. Get into it. Loving these. And of course I got them in the classic white. These are in a women's size 8. I am so stoked about these. We're gonna get these laced up. Yeah, I don't know if I want to loosen these wheels up yet because your girl hasn't skated in a while, so definitely going to have to practice, but these skates are beautiful. So the skates do come with a tool where you can adjust the wheels if needed. Not sure if I'm going to need them yet, but we're going to get them laced up and get into it. Okay, so the skates are now laced up and it's time to try them on. Let's see. Ooh, child. I've not worn skates in forever. The challenge is going to be getting up. Let's see. I think I'm gonna put one on stand and then do the other one. Y'all don't laugh at me. Oh my gosh. Right? We ready to roll bounce. Just kidding. Right now, we're just trying to stand up. Okay. I did it. I did it. Woo. Woo. I got it a little bit. Definitely going to have to practice, but this is going to be fun. So I have definitely enjoyed my unboxing and try on of my new skates. Make sure that you stay tuned for part 2 where I take these skates to the streets. I have definitely enjoyed this video. I feel like a part of my childhood is coming back. Like, I'm gonna be roll bouncing all spring, all summer. Catch me rolling. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you in my next video.